ನಾನೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗಲ್ದೇ ಇದ್ರು ನಮ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲೂಸ್, ಹೋಗು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡು, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್, ಬೇಡ. ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ವೈ ಟು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಟೈಮ್? 10 ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಗು ಹೋಗುವಂತ ಏಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಂತೂ
ನಾವಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಂಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅವಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ದಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ 3 questions ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 3 questions ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು
You can make a decision.
Not decision, at least you can understand things.
Okay.
How I'll let you know.
Okay.
You just have to follow my instructions.
Okay, sure.
Don't think too much.
Yeah.
Because just there is no right or wrong here. Think clearly. Favorite color.
Favorite color.
Why? 3 reasons. Next question.
Yeah.
Your favorite animal and 3 reasons why.
Yeah.
And the third question, your favorite form of water, like snow, beach, waterfall, ice cube, anything. And 3 reasons why. Now what you have to do is, instead of color, you can say it is yourself. Why you like yourself?
I like black and yellow. Black because that represents nights, and I like nights. And I personally like nights.
Okay.
And the color black suits the best on me. It is me.
It relates you.
Yeah, and I feel the color black is deep because our
yours is
also black.
Yes.
So the color has
It's
a very
huge.
deep meaning.
Everything
So
inside you.
hidden everything inside me.
Relates you.
Yeah, relates to me.
Yeah.
It's too deep.
You have deep thoughts.
Deep thoughts and deep things.
Yes.
Yeah.
It explains you. This is what you are.
Yeah.
Yeah. The next question is, this is what you expect from your partner.
This is actually true.
True.
Okay, I like elephants.
Okay.
Okay, they're cute.
Cute.
I want my partner to be cute.
Cute.
Okay.
Obvious.
Elephants understand emotions.
True.
Yeah.
True. Emotionally connected.
Emotionally connected.
Yes.
So that's why
You
I
expect
wanted
these things with your mate. That represents your partner's qualification ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
how he has to
Yes, how he has to be ಅಂತ you can analyze that.
Yeah.
And the last one, can you guess?
No.
No idea. Okay, this is how you generalize the genders. Like ideal generalization ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ,
Yeah.
ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು,
Uh-huh.
ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
Okay, like universal
expectation
expectation.
ideal ಅದನ್ನ explain ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
Okay, so
Yeah.
beach.
Beach.
Okay, it represents nature at its best. ಏನೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು it doesn't stop.
Yes.
Okay, so like that we can't also
you
stop.
expect people to adapt in their life. Like, okay, ಏನೇ ಆದ್ರೂನು people should move on.
Yeah, move on.
Not only me, ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, they should also follow.
On beach, they calm me down.
Okay.
So
You want people to be calm.
yeah,
Like, that is the only 3 questions that could explain you lots and lots of questions.
I have one follow-up.
Please tell me.
So this is for normal people.
Yes.
So right now, most of the people are going through ADHD, ADD,
true,
OCD. There are a lot of things that is happening to our brains. It's common right now.
Yes.
ಮುಂಚೆನೂ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಯಾರು
Notice
ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ. So in ADHD, after a point, if our dopamine goes down with somebody, we tend not to meet them.
You lose interest.
We lose interest, whether it be anybody. We just take few steps and we'll calm ourselves down. We do whatever we have to. People with this condition, what do we do? For ADHD people
it
as well,
does work to
and
understand
ADD,
people.
understand.
Yes, to understand people, this exercise works. I understand there are fluctuations in the reasons and colors. Today I like black, tomorrow I may like pink.
Yeah, because that's why I could not decide. See, when somebody asks me what's my favorite color, today I like black and yellow. Tomorrow I might like green.
Yes, exactly. To those things, that explains as well. Like, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಮೂಡ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆನೋ ಕೂಗಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್
bad person. Yeah.
nobody
can judge you.
It's not like a judgment. It's like ನನಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಚಾಟ್ಸ್ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸಿದೆ, ಐ ಮೇ ಲೈಕ್ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ, ನಂಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಜಿಲೇಬಿ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸ್ಬೋದು. That doesn't define my character. But yeah.